Welcome. Today we're diving into how to search for a link in Gmail Spaces on your PC, especially with the latest updates. If you've ever found it challenging to locate a specific link shared in your Spaces, this guide will make it easy. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to gmail.com. Ensure you're logged into your account to access all the features we'll be using today. Once you're in Gmail, look for the 9 dots next to your profile photo in the upper right corner. This icon represents the Google Apps menu. Click on it to open the drop-down list of services. From this menu, select Chats. This will direct you to the chat interface where you can manage your conversations and navigate to your Spaces. Next, look at the left side menu and click on Spaces. This option will take you to all the different spaces you're a part of, where discussions and files are shared. Now, enter the specific space where you think the link is located. Once you're inside that space, focus on the top of the window where you'll find the search icon. It typically looks like a magnifying glass. Click on the search icon and a search bar will appear. Now type in the keywords related to the link you're trying to find. Whether it's part of the URL or a relevant phrase, enter that information into the search bar and hit enter. In just a few moments, you'll see results displaying any messages or files containing the keywords you entered. This feature makes it incredibly easy to pinpoint important links without having to sift through endless messages. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to search for a link in Gmail Spaces. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on mastering your digital tools. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.